Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, we have two different conversational topics between friends. The first one is about improving English language proficiency. Friend 1. Hey, how is it going? Have you been focusing on improving your English lately? Friend 2. Oh, hey, yeah, I have been trying to brush up on my English language skills. It's such an important language that needs to be known well. How about you? Friend 1. I totally agree. English is so widely used in so many aspects of life. I have been practicing by reading English periodicals, books, and watching movies with subtitles. It really helps with enhancing vocabulary as well as listening skills. Could you tell me what type of methods have you been using? Friend 2. That sounds like a great idea. Well, I have been in particular focusing on grammar exercises and keep trying to have conversations in English whenever I can. I find it pretty interesting that speaking the language regularly really helps improve fluency. Have you tried any language exchange programs or online courses? Friend 1. Yes, I have joined a language exchange program where I chat with native English speakers. It's been quite helpful to practice speaking and get feedback, especially on my pronunciation. Online courses are so beneficial and also a fantastic resource. They, in fact, provide structured lessons and exercises in order to improve all aspects of the language. How do you feel your progress has been so far? Friend 2. I think I have made some good progress, but there is always room for improvement. English can be tricky with its nuances and idioms, but the more I practice, the more confident I become. It's a journey, but definitely a rewarding one. How about you? I feel the same way. It's a continuous learning process, but each step forward is so fulfilling. Keep up the good work, and we'll both be fluent English speakers in no time. Let's move to the next conversation. It's all about grooming between two friends. Friend 1. Hey, have you been paying more attention to grooming lately? Your style is always attractive and on point. Friend 2. Thanks. Yeah, I have been trying to step up my grooming game. It's essential to look and feel good. How about you? Friend 1. Totally. Grooming is such a crucial part of self-care. I have been experimenting with different skincare products and routines to keep my skin healthy. What grooming habits have you been focusing on? Friend 2. I have been making sure to keep my hair well groomed and styled. A good haircut can really make a difference in how you present yourself. Do you have any grooming tips or favorite products you swear by? Friend 1. I completely agree about the hair. A good haircut can boost confidence. I have been using a quality moisturizer and sunscreen daily to protect my skin. It's amazing how a simple skincare routine can make a big difference. Have you tried any grooming hacks or techniques that have worked well for you? Friend 2, I have started incorporating a regular exfoliation routine to keep my skin smooth and clean. It's made a noticeable difference in the texture of my skin. Grooming is not just about looking good, but also feeling good about yourself. How do you feel grooming has impacted your overall confidence and well-being? Friend 1, grooming definitely plays a significant role in how I feel about myself. When I take the time to groom properly, I feel more put together and confident. It's a form of self-care that shouldn't be overlooked. Keep up the fantastic grooming routine, and we'll both be looking sharp and feeling great. So that's all for today. Hope to join you next time. Take care. Bye.